Ride with us, Teatime on Coastal Road. Ngata Silo Rijibe OIC Road Project. Iko damen to Libanta. Okay. Here we are. Work in progress. So, Silo la quality remain to be seen or known because ikapareta ibaribe do kola hansai. So ride with me. Teatime on Coastal Road on the Senegambia Strip. All right, here we go. Look at this. Look at these people. They do not respect traffic laws. How can you turn and be driving towards oncoming traffic? That's Gambia for you. Al Nana is Teatime. We're doing tea on Senegambia Highway. So be there. Here we are. Pejane. Al Nana. We will enjoy the new road. Baroka Bemendu Buka. Here it is. Yama found a complete. So join the ride. Right? These fancy expensive building. Instead of your fancy fence KJ, that will at least upgrade Dulala quality and in Bay. But no. It's just left open like this. The tourism minister is not doing anything. Look at this. Why leave this very fancy, expensive road like this? Ma understand. I don't understand what is happening. But this is it. This is the Sadauda Conference Center. Yeah, it's wide open. No fence, nothing. This is the Senegambia OIC Road. Pito, Aliya Jedede. This side is completed. So enjoy the show. Hello, Okana Benyari. How are you? So this is it. Silonian completed. So I don't know why there is no divider in between the lanes, but maybe they're not ready yet because there is a space. Imagine you better would I mean, can you be damn? But it's just an open road. Yeah, that's the end. So now we will get in the Pondo in my Tida Job language, the Pondo or the Podo. The Podo, you see the Podo. Gambia is sweet, oh. Huh? Sweet Gambia. Look at this. This is the turntable. Senegambia turntable. So Silo, here it is. Here we go. We are here. We are about to hit the Pondo. We are in the Podo. So I want to give you guys a detailed tour of Dokuame Bekeri, the OIC Road project. What be carrying there? Okay, what be carrying there? Can come on in dust. This is, I don't know, maybe Dokuma Futaja. I'm not going to say Kuimata Dokula Jamma, but nothing is happening here. Yesilo will be able to let it both go incoming traffic and then outgoing traffic. Both lanes, Yawobele Wutu. Why? I don't understand. But this is what is happening here. Not much. This is not a laughing matter, people. Don't worry, the siren is not for me. The village there, look at this. Look at this mess here. This is the village. Look at the mess. Whoa, look at the mess. Eh? Pondo and Podo. This is the Poto, the Poto part of it. Yep. So I am not impressed with this OIC road. Munani OIC conference. When did they say it's going to happen? December, and we are in July. No, Gambia is sweet. You see the oh my goodness, Dinkol. Ipa. Oh, you just passed here 30 minutes ago. What a mess. You look at this. This is a joke, Bob. This is a real joke. And they are still telling people the OIC conference will be held in December. This is it. So nothing has changed here. You're more or less boy, part of Boy which I don't have a problem with because that's part of development. But we'll probably jump for the same about that. So that's okay. Those people, many years ago, this will happen because they were warned some 20-something years ago, even before nobody even thought about this clueless Barrow to be president. So that's part of eminent domain. So I'm not feeling too bad for them. But nothing is happening. Why give them chance while they still living there because do come and Mungini nyoko kisandor, the poro. The Mokubuga wahe come Tida Job Nimko de wahe why it is not coming out right. Tida Job Nim de wahe poro and the pondo Mungini. So we are having tea on the Senegambia Coastal Road. Mungini. Yes, well, this is what is happening here, or lack of not happening. Yeah. And then you have the drivers. Gambia drivers, they respect to Luadi. Iman Lua respect, traffic laws, Iman respect. You see drivers slow down by getting in tourism ministry. Useless Minister Hamadba. Hamadba is the most useless ministers among in Barrow's cabinet. Look at this place. Look at this. What a shame. Look at this. And that will be fence man complete. Yeah, I am so done with these people. You see this? Look at this. Now we're going into the Pondo. You need it. Join the ride. We're going to drink tea on the Senegambia. Oh, nothing. Mangi my taxi driver. He doesn't want to be a part of this. Munuma drives a Pondo video, so we need a tea time on the Senegambia Coastal Road. Wow, Pondo. Yep. This is it. This is what people go through on a daily basis. Look at this. Otol baby tinyala fente fo silul mam bete. Dulal be sing. Look, you go to the local that. Look at these people. With their caterpillars and look at them. Nobody's here to supervise them, so I don't blame them. They lowering it at a time, or maybe they are not paid, so they are taking their time. Caterpillar sabanga waleja. No caterpillar, yeah, 3 caterpillar and 1 munanyindo kama make a black flat. Yeah, there. We are here. So what are your thoughts? I told me go to police. Yes, right here at Kotu Police. Look at the police station. Gambia is so sad, but these useless police are the people. Nimbaro Pareda, he's not even taking his government. I'm not even saying Adama Barrow in passing, but the inspector of police, the whatever, interior minister. This is the police station, Kotu Police Station. Look, with a big old. Huh? Don't mind. Mental drive. So here we are. Okay, here we are. The world it's my right crook and my mind speed. More taxpayer than it. Had the police also low in Benat Diamofla. Yeah, so to go to police in Tole Kesolu, Interior, Ministry of Interior, because police will be on that terror. Don't refer to that target. America to Sunya and attack Gambia. But that's none of my business. Let me go back to the police station. Kotu police allegedly is all raggedy, nothing but in Tole Kesolu, barome buketo la time so fona pareta pour yena ye la fellow citizens ñol abuse o wato le keto jebe tika la be tia gas pa la molka bari the officer look at the poto highway. Let's call it poto highway. No, that is sweet. Me, I am enjoying my holiday. I don't know about you guys, but I'm enjoying my holiday. Teatime on Costa Road. Huh? Yes, here we are. Teatime on Costa Road. This is it. Motor be fighting Carobea. Drive on the Famoma. Sorry, they can't be drive on the Sakal go to drive on. Ibuka Lua respect. If I'm not one. Ibuka Lua respect. Taxi driver, they come from left, right, front, back. Ibuka they can find in a dive. They just sometimes I feel like I'm going to get a panic attack or a nervous breakdown driving on the Gambia road. Sakosade. Yeah. Even in taxi driving, from can drive. I found that one of the violators. If I can tell a violator, so say I did trust yeah. Here, this is Ranga Muele. This is the Costa Road with Ranga. Motoka jara fente for bere wuden we yesido be